Alex here with Sena, and today I want to show you how to pair your Insta360 X4, your Ace and Ace Pro to your Sena comm system. Today we're going to be using the Sena 50S. Now this does work with any Sena comm system, long as you have the feature where you can hook up to your smartphone under the phone pairing feature. Now let's get into it. We're first going to start with the Insta360 X4. All right guys, so the first step you want to do is you want to make sure that your Sena device is turned on. As you can see, this unit's turned on. And we want to put it in phone pairing mode. So what we're going to do is hit the phone button until you hear phone pairing.
Phone pairing.
Now the way you know you're in phone pairing mode is you're going to see these red and blue flashing lights. Now let's get the Insta360. Go ahead and get your Insta360 X4 and make sure that's turned on. So we're going to go to the screen, the touch screen. We're going to swipe down and then we're going to swipe left. So now where you see those headphone icons, you're going to click on that. So now it's going to start searching for your Sena 50S. It'll appear pretty soon. For in this case, since we're using the Sena 50S, that's what's going to appear. There it is. It says Bluetooth headphones connected. If you look at the top right corner, you're going to see the headphone icon. That's how you know you're connected. All right, guys, let's move on to pairing your Ace and your Ace Pro. Unfortunately, in the studio, I only have the Ace Pro, but it's going to work exactly the same for your Ace model. First step is you want to make sure that your Sena device is turned on. Then you're going to press the phone button until you hear phone pairing.
Phone pairing.
That's phone pairing. The way you know you're in phone pairing, you're going to see the red and blue flashing lights. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your Ace Pro and go ahead and swipe down on the touch screen, then swipe left. And where you see the icon with the headphones, you're going to click on that. It's going to start searching for this product in particular, which is the Sena 50S. It already says connected. Go ahead and hit the arrow on the top left corner. Swipe up so you get back to your screen. And if you look on the top right corner, you're going to see those headphone icon again. That's when you know you're paired. So now that I showed you how to pair your Insta360 X4, your Ace and Ace Pro to your Sena device, you can explore all the cool features that it has to offer. For example, advanced noise control. You're going to record the best audio possible in the market by canceling out all that wind noise or unwanted audio onto your track straight into your camera.
So as you guys can see, I'm communicating with him right now for these roller shots. He's coming up closer and I can film him. This is great when you're trying to shoot content and communicating with, especially for the motorcycle industry, where comms is a big thing.
Yeah, I'd never thought about that, but being able to communicate while people are, doing video work or any kind of work.
The second thing that you're going to be able to do is do the voice command feature. So if you want to start and stop your camera, all you have to say start recording, stop recording, and you can keep your hands on the handlebars and be safe out there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.